Alright, we've reached the final stop on our journey today at 2211 3rd Avenue West. Date still is August 5th, 2021. Making this recording from the cleanout here on the south side of the home. Looking at the Seattle City main there, we're going to pull back from that main into 6-inch diameter shared clay piping. Alright, continuing the recording, we're in that 6-inch shared line, shared between all three homes here, 2205, 2207, and 2211. Coming back from the main here, probably getting close to the sidewalk area now. There's a large monster root there. There is a large monster root there. Those are taking up a ton of the pipe, and that's probably right under that tree out near the sidewalk, I'm guessing. And a large one there, taking up quite a bit of the pipe. We've seen some of this section as part of that last video. And this is the end of the shared section. On the right side of the pipe, you see the tie-in for those other two homes. I've already located that spot about 6 feet deep between the houses, so we're going to come up, we're going to call that 83 feet of shared 6-inch diameter clay piping, where we come back into this personal line for 2211 here. So 2211's personal line will zero out the footage here. A couple of feet of personal line here before we get back into this plastic clean out. Looks like the downspouts tied into that clean out as well. I'm going to end the video there. There's the clean out we're making the recording from.